Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to change the picture's background with Grok AI. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you need to do, of course, you can prepare about the picture that you would like to do the editing. And after that, you can open this grok.com or Grok AI. And don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this will be the opening of this Grok AI. And if you would like to do the photo editing, you can start to attach the picture first. And for example, I will choose this one. And after that, I will type the prompt, change the background of this picture to be in the office, for example, and are a lot of people with the same attire, and enter, and you can start to generate this, and kindly wait for this Grok AI to process the picture. And if you have any another AI that can do the same as this Grok AI, please guys don't forget to suggest us on the comment section because we would love to share comments there and also making the video in another version. And after waiting for a while, after the generation process, so these are two picture after the generation. And you can also start to edit or refine this prompt. For example, background changes to be more detailed from the snowy Great Wall to be in the, for example, the office. And click save and kindly wait for another picture that will be edited by this Grok AI. And after the generation process, so this will be the picture of this man. Okay, this man starts to a little bit later, but it is okay. And if you would like to select this, then you can click it, and you can also make it into the video, or you can also simply download it into a picture. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback about this video, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.